Welcome to Kudai Coaching Classes. Today we are going to solve the practice set 6.2. So let us start. The first example is a person is standing at a distance of 80 meter from a church. Then first of all we draw a rough figure that this is the church, okay, and it is this point is the position of the person, okay. The person is standing at 80 meter from the church. 80 meter from the church म्हणजे ह्या चर्च पासून पर्सनचं डिस्टन्स किती आहे 80 मीटर. लुकिंग ॲट इट्स टॉप, हा आता खाली आहे आणि वर बघतोय, टॉपला बघतोय. ही इज लुकिंग ॲट द टॉप, ओके. When we look upward, it is the angle of elevation, and when we look at downward, it is the angle of depression. And the angle of elevation is 45. What they say that the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Then find the height of the church. So our same figure A, B, C. Right angle काढायचा, B at right angle at the B, theta at the C. Value of C is 45. Then how we can find out? So we have to find AB, that is side opposite to the theta, and we know adjacent side, okay. First of all we write the information first. So let AB is the height of church. Let AB is the height of the church. C is the position of the person. And BC is the distance between church and observer or a person. Then what we have to write? We have to find opposite side, and we know the adjacent side. Always when theta is at C, BC is the adjacent side and AB is the opposite side, okay. So opposite upon adjacent is equal to tan theta. Tan theta, theta ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे, tan 45. Opposite side AB, adjacent side BC. The value for the tan 45 is 1. Then write AB, and value for the B is 80. So AB is as it is, 80 ones are 80, right. AB is equal to 80. So the height of the AB is the height of the church. So the height of the church is 80 meter. It is very simple example. Now let's turn towards second example. From the top of the lighthouse, an observer looking at the ship CL. Where is the observer? At the top of the lighthouse. So again I draw a vertical line, and it is a lighthouse A, B, okay. And position of the observer is at the A, because it is at the top of the lighthouse. And observer looking at the ships. आता जर हे लाईट हाऊस असेल तर इथे काय असणार आहे, सी आहे, इकडे काय एक शिप आहे, ओके. When observer looking at its shape, the angle of depression, but the angle of depression or elevation is always with the horizontal line. So angle of depression is 60 degree. If the height of lighthouse is 90 meter, we know the height of lighthouse 90 meter, then how far from the ship from the lighthouse, and we know we have to find out this distance BC. Okay, so as DAC, what is DAC and ADC are alternate angle, this angle is also 60 degree. Then write actual figure for this like this: ABC. Take here theta as 60 degree, C is the position of the ship, AB is the height of the lighthouse, and A is the position of observer. Height of lighthouse is 90 meter. So write the information about it, that let AB is the height of lighthouse, A is the position of observer, C is the position of ship, and BC is the distance between lighthouse and ship. Then we have to solve same example. Okay, how? Opposite side is known and adjacent side is unknown. We have to find adjacent side. So write opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite upon adjacent is equal to tan theta. So tan and value for theta is 60 degree. Opposite side is known, that is AB. Adjacent side is BC. The value for tan 60 is √3. So AB is equal to 90 and BC is as it is. So this BC goes to upper part, and 90 divided by √3. When there is root at the denominator, we have to rationalize that number. So BC is equal to 90 divided by √3, and we multiply and divide by √3. That is, multiply by √3 divided by √3. What the value become? 90 √3 whole divided by √3 multiply by √3. 3 3s are 9. 9 चं रूट किती असतं? 3. So 90 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 0 as it is. The value is 30 √3 meter. But we know that the value for √3, the value for √3 is 1.73. √3 is equal to 1.73. Then we multiply this and we get the answer 51.90 meter. Value for the BC is 51.90 meter. Then we have to write the sentence that BC is the distance between lighthouse and ship. So the distance between lighthouse and ship is 51.90 meter. Okay, have you got this example? Then let us turn towards third example. Now third example, two buildings are facing each other on the road of width 12 meter. दोन बिल्डिंग्स आहेत, हा रोड आहे 12 मीटरचा. ही रफ फिगर काढू आपण आता. फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ फर्स्ट बिल्डिंग विच इज 10 मीटर हाय. आता मी ही एक बिल्डिंग झाली आणि ही दिस इज द सेकंड बिल्डिंग. ओके, फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ द फर्स्ट बिल्डिंग विच इज 10 मीटर हाय द अँगल ऑफ इलिव्हेशन. आता बघा अँगल ऑफ इलिव्हेशन आला आहे 10 मीटरच्या बिल्डिंगवरनं अँगल ऑफ इलिव्हेशन आला आहे, म्हणजे इलिव्हेशन म्हणजे त्या बिल्डिंगवरनं वर बघतोय. याचा अर्थ 10 मीटर बिल्डिंग ही शॉर्टर आहे आणि जी दुसरी बिल्डिंग आहे ती याच्यापेक्षा टॉलर असणार. म्हणून तर अँगल ऑफ इलिव्हेशन आला हा झाला टॉप ऑफ द वन बिल्डिंग and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. What is the height of the second building? What is the height of second building? Then name the figure as A, B is the first building, shorter building, and C, D is the taller building. E is the point parallel to BD. Draw line parallel to BD. This point is called as a E. Okay, so ABDE is a rectangle. So AB is equal to ED. So ED is also become 10 meter. Have you understand this? The next one is only we have what we have to find height of second building, that is CD. We know ED, so only we have to find that the length of CE. What we have to find? The length of C. First of all, write all the information. AB and CD are the two buildings. The next one is BD is the road of width 12 meter. Then draw line parallel to BD from A, which meet at point E, So BD is equal to AE. BD is equal to AE, 12 meter, and AB is equal to ED is equal to 10 meter. Now what we have to only find out is the length of CE. So we draw only the upper portion, that is triangle AEC. Triangle AEC, theta at C, right angle at E. Sorry, theta is at the A point and that is 60 degree. From this we have to find that the length of C. So here we have to find the length of C, that is opposite side. So here I write opposite side, and I know that adjacent side, opposite upon adjacent is the ratio of tan theta. So put the values. Tan theta 60, opposite side is CE, adjacent side is AE. The value for tan 60 is root 3, CE as it is, and the value of AE is 12. So CE as it is, 12 is at the denominator, so I write it goes to numerator in the multiplication on the left hand side. So 12 multiplied by root 3, CE is equal to 12 multiplied by root 3, 12. Value for root 3 is 1.73, 1.73 is equal to, multiply these two values, we get the answer 20.76 meter. Value for CE is 20.76 meter. What we have to find, what is the height of second building? So height of second building is equal to, the second building is CD. Okay, in that there are two parts, CE and ED. So I write CE plus ED. Value for C is 20.76, 20.76. ED is equal to 10 meter. So 20 plus 10, 30.76 meter. The height of second building is 30.76 meter. Now turn towards fourth example. Two poles of height 18 meter and 17 meter are erected on a ground. What they said, two poles are there. First one is 18 meter and second one is 7 meter. Erected means standing. The length of the wire fastened at their top of this pole and this pole, the length of this wire is 22 meter. Find the angle made by the wire with horizontal. So I draw here horizontal line, and what we have to find now, the angle made by the wire with the horizontal. Here we have to find theta. So let start. Length of shorter pole 7 meter and length of taller pole is 18 meter. Same figure as in the last example, A, B, C, D and E at the parallel point. So write the information, that is AB and CD are two poles. AC is the fastened wire. So AC is equal to length of fastened wire is 22 meter. AB pole is equal to 7 meter. CD pole is equal to 18 meter. Okay. Then I don't know value of AE also and C also. I only know the hypotenuse, that is AC, in this upper part, that is triangle. So I find first CE. So I write CD is equal to CE plus ED. CD is equal to CE plus ED. CD is equal to 18, CE as it is, and ED. You know, AB is equal to AD, that is 7 meter. AB is equal to ED, opposite sides of rectangle. So ED is equal to 7 meter. CE as it is 18 minus 7. C is equal to 11 meter. What is the value for CE is 11 meter. Now I know the two sides of triangle, right? So let us solve the example. First draw the triangle AE and C. AEC, right angle at the E, theta at C. Value for AC is 22 meter and CE is 11 meter. Then find out the relation, that is, I know the opposite side of the theta and hypotenuse. So I write opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse is the ratio of sine theta, right? So sine theta is as it is. Opposite side is CE, hypotenuse is AC. Sine theta, value for CE is 11 and AC is 22. So 11 1 za 11, 11 2 za 22. Sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. From table I know that sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. By equating both these, I get theta is equal to 30 degree. So I write the equation. The angle made by the wire with horizontal is 30 degree. And all students should write in this manner. Let us turn towards fifth example. A storm broke a tree and the tree top rested 20 meter from the base of the tree. So this is the tree and point B is the base. Okay, this is ground. Storm broke a tree. This is a breaking point, noted as C. AB is the actual tree and due to the storm the tree break from the point C. Tree top rested 20 meter. हा ट्री टॉप रेस्ट झाला ग्राउंडला 20 मीटर फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ द ट्री. मग हा एचा जो पॉइंट होता तोच कुठे आला या डीला. ओके, आलं लक्षात. पहिल्यांदा काय होतं, ए बी हे पूर्ण झाड होतं, स्टॉर्ममुळे सी पॉईंटमधून तुटलं आणि हा पार्ट हा असा इथे पडला. आता ॲक्च्युअल स्केलनुसार नाही आहे, पण जेवढं सी डी असणार तेवढंच ए सी असणार. हा एवढा सगळा पार्ट पडला आहे असं कन्सिडर करायचं. मेकिंग अन अँगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री विथ द हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन. बरोबर 60 डिग्रीचा अँगल आला. फाइंड द हाईट ऑफ द ट्री. व्हॉट वी हॅव टू फाइंड? हाईट ऑफ द ट्री. We solved this type of numeric in solve example last video. So let us solve this also. So first we have to write information. Let AB is the height of tree. AB is the height of tree. C is the breaking point. BD is the distance of tree top from base. BD is the distance of ट्री टॉप. आता हा ए पॉइंट, हा ट्री टॉप इथे आला ना, ट्री टॉप फ्रॉम द बेस. देन nothing is remaining, so let us solve. We have get in right angle triangle BCD. Draw here separate figure. Here is the D, 60 degree, right angle at the B, and here this point is C. BD is 20 meter. So we know the adjacent side and we have to find opposite side. As what we have to find? AB. So here are two parts, AC and CB. So first we find CB. So I write opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. The ratio is tan theta. The value for theta is 60 degree. So tan 60. Opposite side is BC, adjacent side is BD. Value for tan 60 is √3. We don't know the value for BC, and BD is 20 degree, 20 meter. So BC is as it is. 20 goes to numerator, multiplies to √3. So BC is equal to 20 multiplied by √3. BC is equal to 20 multiplied, value for √3 is 1.73. BC is equal to, by multiplying we get the answer 34.60 meter. Now we know the value for BC. Now we have to find AC, but AC is congruent to CD. AC is equal to CD. So we find here hypotenuse. We know the adjacent side, and now we have to find hypotenuse. So we use adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse is cos theta. So cos 60 is equal to adjacent is 20, and we don't know hypotenuse, that is CD. Value for cos 60 is 1 upon 2, right? What is the value? 1 by 2. 20 is as it is CD. CD 1 the cross multiply. CD 1 the CD, 2 2 the 4, 0 as it is. CD is equal to 40. What we write above? See, AC is equal to CD. So AC is also 40. Now the height of tree. The height of tree is equal to AC plus CB. AC plus CB. Value for AC is 40 plus BC is 34.60. As it 40 has no any point, so 40 plus 34, 74.60 meter. Write down sentence. The height of the tree is 74.60 meter. So both again it. Then last one is sixth one. Sixth example. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter from the ground. Okay. So first we draw ground. Name it B and C. And from the ground, here is the kite. Okay. A position of kite is A. The string attached to the kite. ही हाईट झाली ग्राउंड पासूनची. दिस इज द स्ट्रिंग. is tied at the ground, and it makes an angle of 60 degree. Makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Assuming that the string is straight. आता खरं तर काइट असते तर असा इन्क्लाइन मध्ये असते कधी पण काइटची स्ट्रिंग. पण आपल्याला अजून काय करायला लावलं? अज्युम द स्ट्रिंग ऑफ द काइट इज स्ट्रेट. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग. ओके, सिंपल फिगर है. हियर इज द ऑब्जर्वर or a boy who play this kite, fly this kite, sorry. So we draw figure. Our main figure is like this: A, B, C, theta at the C, that is 60 degree, right angle at the B. Now kite is 60 meter above the ground, so AB is 60. Then write information. A is the position. A is the position of kite. AC is the string. AB is the height of kite from ground. AB is the height of the kite from ground. So what we find? Assuming that string is straight, find the length of string. Length of string, that is we have to find that AC What we have to find? AC. So we know the opposite side of the theta, and we have to find hypotenuse. So we write opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse is sine theta. So here sine value for theta is 60. Opposite side AB, hypotenuse is AC. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. AB is 60. We have to find AC. Again here there is a cross multiplication. AC multiplied by root 3 is equal to 60 multiplied by 2, 120. AC multiplied by root 3. AC as it is, 120 as it is. This root 3 here is in the multiplication, so it goes to denominator. What we do, if there is root in the denominator, we have to rationalize it. So 120 upon root 3 multiply. How to rationalize? Multiply and divide by root 3. The value is 120 root 3 divided by 3 3s are 9. 9's a root, only 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12, 0 as it is. 40 multiplied by root 3. 40 as it is. We know the value for root 3, that is 1.73. 1.73. After multiplying, we get the answer 69.20. This is our answer. Then write the statement. The length of the string is 69.20 meter. Here our 6.2 is also completed. In next video we will solve problem set 6. If you have any doubt, you can message me or comment it in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching. So please like, share and subscribe our channel to get notified for latest videos. And if there is any doubt, so comment it in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.